Hi NACAC. My name is Cassie Magesis and I am the Director of Post-Secondary Access at the Urban Assembly in New York City. And it was my honor to serve as a member of the ad hoc committee that developed this report. To be amongst leaders in our field and to get the opportunity to engage with them over such a sustained period of time was really such a privilege. I'm really excited about the report that we put out, particularly the commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion, not just in increasing the ability for all students across the country to access higher education, but also the commitment to make sure that NACAC's membership and leadership reflects the true diversity of our nation. NACAC should be the go-to. Right? NACAC should be the go-to for resources that any student, family, or counselor needs for this process. NACAC should also be the go-to for higher education policy positions, that any shifts in the higher education landscape, NACAC should be the one who is driving what that looks like. And I really think that this report gives a path forward to make that happen. There are way too many barriers in higher education, and NACAC should be the one leading the charge to dismantle barrier for barrier so that every student has the opportunity to succeed in higher education, whatever that means for them. I'm really excited to see what this report brings forth for NACAC and for our profession as a whole, and I'm excited for everyone to take part in that work.